Father's Day, everyone. Today, I'll open the card I make for my dad and just a teeny tiny help for my mom. Actually, a lot in that for me. And Happy Father's Day again. Okay, let's start by showing. Hey, that was not like this. I checked you, and now it's like this. That's not how it is. I took you again. It's like this. And now let's open it. If you make the same bow or somebody for you, you need to pull this to your line safe. Then, ow! What's wrong with this? I can make sure my mom told me how to open this. Now this. Open it. Okay. So let's see this. Ah! No. They left this out there. And ta-da! Oh, look at this. Because it's time blank. Now let's lead. Daddy. Okay, I love you. Now, basically, you're the best. Happy Father's Day. Daddy, I love you. See? Express here now. And I'll tell you how to make this last. See this two hearts? We need to do it like this. And now I'll show you how to close this. See this? Like this. Then we need to push it and see. And like this. Or there's another way. You need to do it like this, then like this, and just put it there. And this. And that's why the hairstyle looks like very good. It's like da. Today's video, give me a subscribe. And next time I just hang it and make it like this. See? Cute, isn't it? And like this to like this. And if you like my video, subscribe my channel. Different way.